This video will teach you how to use game capture in Streamlabs OBS. Start by selecting a scene or creating a new one. Select the plus icon in the Sources panel. Click Game Capture, then Add Source. Name your source. You may want to name it after the game you'll be capturing. Add Source. Select the Mode drop menu. By default, the mode will be set to Auto. This mode will automatically look for an opened game to capture. This is useful if you plan on switching between different games. The Capture Specific window will allow you to choose one specific application to capture. We recommend either using the Capture Specific window or Auto option. If you choose the specific window, then you will need to choose the application you want to capture using the drop menu. The game or software will need to be open to select it. By default, the cursor will automatically be captured. You can hide your cursor by unchecking the Capture Cursor option. We recommend leaving the Anti-Cheat Compatibility hook enabled. Click Done. You can drag the sides of the source to resize, or drag the entire source to change the placement. If you want the source to fit the entire screen, then right-click on the source, choose Transform, then Fit to Screen. You can hide and show the source layer by clicking the eye icon in the Sources panel. Your game source will now be set up.